know what it's like to have a problem at your house that you've never experienced before. You feel like you don't know who to call, you don't know who you can trust. This industry has a lot of people that are underserved and are not taken care of well. And so there's an opportunity for us to come in knowing that we're an entity people can trust.
I just could feel by looking through the paperwork and by looking Leon in the eyes that I wasn't going to get taken in some way that I wasn't aware of.
A situation arises that we didn't expect, and they've been through it before, and they have a recommended solution.
We want to add a personal touch to let people know that we do care. This is not just about the bottom line. This is about each human that we interact with.
We knew going into it that financially we'd be in good shape, that they would take care of our tenants and our properties, but I didn't expect to also build such a friendship with Leon.
Being a part of the Green Residential team is being a part of family, and any client that gets to spend any amount of time with us, I think they begin to quickly feel like they're a part of our family as well.